Today I'm gonna add 12mm spacers at the front of my E36. So this is the biggest issue that I have. I don't know how much you guys can see, but you're probably able to tell that the tire is touching the coilover. And it's eating the tire on the inside. Hope you guys can see it. So I need the spacers to clear that out. Hopefully we'll get the job done, but that's the point. That's the reason why we got it in the first place. Good news, guys. Apparently it's not revving on the coilover anymore. And it's also clearing the fenders, at least part. I'm gonna see if it rubs, and if anything, I'll just raise the front of the car a little bit. And here's how it looks with the 12mm spacers. The wheel is not completely straight. But that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and there is a lot more to come.